Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today we are going again to analyze the market, and I will give you guys the latest updates on the Forex market. Today is 6 March 2024, and on Friday, tomorrow, we have NFP news coming out, and guys, we will check together. And even today we have USD unemployment claims news coming out, and also Euro monetary policy statement. And I will give you the latest update, and we will analyze together.
So now let's start on analyzing USD indices. As you see on the chart, USD was downtrend for the past week, and you can see the structure here. We got impulse, large correction, impulse, and now as you can see it already hit the target 1 and is now pushing to target 2. So what are we expecting on USD, guys? Okay, on dollar. So if we look the main structure on USD here, we can see here, okay, in a daily time frame, that USD now is already the uptrend market here for daily time frame. So for me personally, I was looking USD to reach this touch, but it can be two possible way here, in my opinion, guys. First, gold USD first will hit target 2, okay, no doubt about that, I am sure. After that, it will be two options, guys: USD to continue uptrend or to reach this downtrend, okay, and I will give you the reasons why I'm saying that, okay. But if you look the main structure on USD, guys, okay, here we have a large correction and it is possible to reach that high, and also it can continue on down sell. So we will look the both ability ways. So now let's come on 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we can see the clear structure, okay. Now already USD is pushing down, so it is possible, guys, okay, to make a retest there and then hit the target 2. So the main question is it possible for USD to reach this level? Yes. Why? Because there are some pairs that gives us a pure pie structure. So, and we will analyze one by one. So now I will show you again on Euro, okay, what are we expecting on Euro as well. So as you know, most of you guys, I have been analyzing Euro indices since January 24. Like, we were looking every single step that this pair was making. So now let's again analyze and look one daily time frame. So here you can see the pure structure that right now Euro is already forming here. We got here impulse, okay, and now here we got large correction. So this large correction, you can see how many times it touches our trend line and it retests back. So this is the third time, and here we have got ascending channel, okay, and now we can see already one big candle already break the trend line. So guys, in my opinion, Euro can reach this target, okay. This is our target, the ninth rule. This is what we call ninth rule. And now let's look time frame, the main possibilities that can happen here. Now today, of course, we have monetary policy coming out on this pair, so it can be negative, okay. And if that happens, that means first this will be our first target. Don't forget always for that, this is our first target. So as a structure, it can just retest back somewhere here and then all the way down. That's the first possibility way. Or this only can happen target 1 and it can also continue on pi direction, okay. it can happen both ways, like to hit this target, our first target, and then it can continue on these level areas, and I will show you the reasons why. Now also I will show you JPP indices. Okay, now I'm just showing you the index pairs, and here we have GPP indices. So what's happening here? We already got double top above here, but it didn't reach yet. Before that, we have a structure already forming here. We already got a structure forming here. You can see now at the moment JPP is already pricked our trend line. So what can we expect is that just to retest and all the way to the target. So this is first structure we are looking on JPP indices. Last index pair I want to show you, I will show you JPY. JPY index, this is a lovely structure, guys. Okay, I love JPY. Okay, JPY, you can see here we already got here for daily time frame. Let me show you the bigger picture. Yes, you can see here we had a double bottom, but it breaks a little bit, and now you can see how amazing it moves right now. We got impulse, correction, and now we got another impulse. So what are you expecting the market? Okay, as we got already an impulse, the market to pull back somewhere here and then move to the top. That means we are looking the JPY pairs to JPY to get strong and become bi-direction. So that means the pairs that end up JPY, all of them will be weak and will continue in a sell direction. So this is the possibility way that can happen as we have a structure on JPY. So now let's analyze what we are expecting this week, the market. Although, guys, okay, first let's analyze the news we have, and then we will based on according the structures we have on the pairs. Today at 4:15 p.m. we have a maintaining reference rate and monetary policy statement. Okay, this is Euro news, and also USD we have unemployment claim coming out on 4:30. Also at 6 p.m. we have Chair Powell speakers, but the main point, guys, is tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have CAD and USD we have NFP news coming out on 4:30. Okay, don't forget, this is a strong news, and it comes out every month, first week on Fridays. So we will now see the pairs that are ready. How can we benefit the market? How can we get enough pips? Let's analyze. Let me show you here DXY. Okay, on trading view. First of all, as we already analyzed it, USD index, we see that is already showing us in sell direction. So here we have this structure on USD. Okay, USD we got here. Let me show you. Here we got impulse, now we got correction, and we are expecting another downtrend. Okay, and it's already seeing here. So now we got impulse, already large correction, breaked impulse. We are just waiting a little retest and boom. Okay, so guys, I think USD will remain weak. Okay, will remain weak until we're here. Okay, let me write here our target. So that's what I'm looking. That's like, this is a big possibility ways that can happen. So but here we have the first target. We will see how the structure changes. If we see after it hit our first target, if we see USD is going back, yes, that means there is also possibility that again USD can back to here, okay, this double bottom. But we will see here, this is the structure what we are looking. And let me show you, don't forget that euro is weak. Sometimes we know that, like, it happens that euro and USD become in the same, like, direction. That means they have a positive coloration. Okay, so now let's look euro USD. Guys, the reason why I'm saying USD will remain weak is that, look here, what we got on euro USD structure. Always you know that euro USD is the opposite of dollar. Okay, don't forget that. So here we can see that we were looking this pair, like already it 220 pips. Okay, so what we are expecting, euro USD, okay, it can happen to reach this target. Okay, so which means still we have got 240 pips remain. Okay, that's the first option. Okay, so everything I will update you, but let's analyze what can happen. Okay, first, if euro USD make a little retest somewhere here, then we are expecting a big move. So that's big possibility can happen. So that means tomorrow the NFP news can be negative. Okay, now they are already forecasting to become a positive, which is 0.2. Before it was a previous 0.6. So that means they are analyzing it can be weak. So that is why USD can remain. That's why USD can remain weak, and euro USD will be strong in a buy direction. So we will see how these pairs will end up. So now let me show you an interesting pair. Okay, where in the hell is gold going, guys? Gold is flying. I analyzed this multiple times. Even, guys, I told you in my previous video, if you watch gold, we're totally waiting 1000 pips, but unfortunately it even become more, which is 1300 pips. Guys, look, in single 5 days gold went 1356 pips. And don't forget that, guys. Okay, gold reached its ultimate high ever. Okay, before it was the ultimate high here. Okay, 2020. It come back again 2022. It come back again 2023. But in 2024, it says I am the leader, and it breaks everything. So this pair is interesting, guys, to be honest. So now let's analyze how and what kind of opportunity can gold give us. If we look 4 hour time frame, here we can see that, okay, it ultimate high was here and it breaks already, okay, as a double top. So now we have a strong move here. Okay, definitely gold will make a pullback until where? So okay, let me show you. Let's come to 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's look 1 hour time frame. Here, yesterday I was expecting gold somewhere this kind of structure. I was saying a little ascending channel may form here, but it says no, and it went pi. So what can happen right now? Okay, guys, gold, at least we are expecting a pullback until here. Why I'm saying for that? Because here is a strong area. Don't forget that here is what is strong area. So this pullback, look how amazing it is, 497 pips. Okay, so is it possible gold to continue in a pi direction? Yes, of course, and I will show you the evidence that can happen. Okay, always for me when I was analyzing gold, I look one another pair, which is silver. Okay, Guys, you know that silver and gold, they have a positive correlation 100%. Sometimes it's 99%, sometimes it's 98, or it doesn't matter wherever it is, but they have positive correlation. So that means they go same direction. So now let me show you here. Here we got impulse, correction, another impulse. But look here, even silver didn't reach its target. Okay, it didn't reach our 90 rule. How? Let's look here. We got impulse, and I will show you. That's why it's still gold pushing up. So let's draw the trend lines here. Okay, it's better to show you up in 15-minute time frame to draw these small corrections. Yes, here you can see still silver is pushing up in order to reach its target, which is here. Okay, so until this one reaches down there, yes, gold will continue as well on pi. Okay, that is a big possibility can happen, you know. And if we look for our time frame for this one, yes, even there are huge possibility that silver can ended up here, which is this double top above. So we will see how it forms. But now let's go back to gold and let's see how it can happen. Now, as already it break the double top, okay, yes, it's giving us gold a signs that now it will retest back in here. This retest, which is 400 pips, that's what we get. And maybe the news for today for USD can be positive, okay, and gold will be in a sell direction. Don't forget that, as it went as strong, this pullback, okay, will give us 440 pips of gold in gold. Okay, so we will see how this structure will go up. And now I will show you guys JPP USD. Okay, this pair, the only thing I can see here, we can see, okay, is still JPUSD also is positive to reach this double top, which is 395 pips. That means JPUSD in totally the direction will remain pi, but I mean, like, how can we get an entry? How can we get, you know, that's the main point in here, guys. Okay, actually I was looking for this little double top. Don't forget that here is a strong sell area which already dropped 250 pips. Now it retests back. Okay, now it's already retest back, and we can see here. So that means JPUSD as well can reach up to this area, which is almost 73 pips. Okay, why I'm saying that, here we had got a small ascending channel for a little forming here, and we already got 15-minute impulse, and I will draw you here. Okay, this is only the possibility ways that can happen, guys. That's what I'm always sharing with you. Okay, so that means if it breaks, if we get our rule, like we just trade the pair when we get our rule, that's it. Okay, so this is what we are expecting on JPUSD. Little drop today, it can happen 73 pips, or it can be more, so why not? So we will see how it also goes. Another pair I want to show you is AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD, guys, when I see this structure, guys, it went up 120 pips, but it was super amazing. Let's check on our time frame. Okay, it's same, this is same structure as Euro USD. Okay, in the total direction. Okay, so that means still tomorrow, if it gave us a little here for pullback in today somewhere here, that means also the USD can be by direction as well. So we will see how these all the opportunities will end up. Another interest pair I see in my eyes today, catch up in my eyes, is USD CAD. USD CAD, the solid, the pure structure, okay, that's happening here, that is forming here, is quite lovely. So that means we are waiting a little pullback, and bam, this is our target. So that means how many pips will be in totally it will be 200 pips. Okay, so here we have a sending channel, and bam, like this is our, it will be our 90 rule. Guys, as you see, most of the pairs, like they are already making same similar structures. JPB JPY, okay, JPB JPY, why I add on the list is that because JPY index is a strong pie, so that means of course the pair that in JPY will be weak, and that is why we can already see JPY is already dropping 282 pips. Okay, and of course we are still waiting to drop almost 322 pips. Of course, here will be on our target. Here will be on our target for this pair. So we will see, guys, and how these all pairs will ended up, and we will, if I get another update, of course I will always post on YouTube. Subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know on my official Telegram channel. I'm always sharing there on free signals. Keep in touch, and see you soon, guys.